In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a private message to a DocuSign recipient. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning so you can send a document and include a message that only one specific recipient will see. This is useful when you need to give a signer extra context, a short instruction, or a reminder without sharing that note with everyone else on the envelope. To begin, log into your DocuSign account and click Start. This takes you to the point where you can create something new. From there, choose Envelope. An envelope in DocuSign is the package that holds your document, recipients, and signing instructions. Next, select Get Signatures. This tells DocuSign that you're preparing a document to send out for signing. Once that opens, upload the document you want to send. You can use the file picker to locate your document and add it to the envelope. Make sure you've chosen the correct version before moving on. After the document is uploaded, add your recipient by entering their name and email address. Be careful here, because this private message will be tied to a specific person. If the recipient details are entered incorrectly, the message could end up attached to the wrong signer. Now go to the recipient section and find the person you want to send the private message to. Open that recipient's message option. This is where you can customize the message for that individual instead of using only a general note for everyone. Type the private message you want that specific recipient to receive. Keep the message clear and brief so it's easy to understand. For example, you might mention what to review before signing or give a simple note about the document. Once the message is entered, review it carefully and confirm that it's assigned to the correct recipient. This is an important check, especially if your envelope includes multiple people. When everything looks right, click next to open the document preparation screen. Here, review the full envelope. Check the document, the list of recipients, any fields that need to be completed, and the private message you just added. Taking a moment to review everything can help you avoid mistakes before sending. Finally, click Send to send the envelope with the private message to the selected recipient. DocuSign will then deliver the document, and that recipient will receive their private note along with the signing request. That's all it takes to add a private message to a DocuSign recipient. Thanks for watching.